Hello everyone, my name is Ankit. Today we are going to make program to swap two numbers using temporary variable. The temporary variable is the third variable. We are taking variable A. Its value we are giving 10. In the memory, variable A is created. Its value is 10. Taking second variable B, its value is 20. In the memory, variable B is created. Its value is 20. We want to swap the values of A and B. For that, we are taking third variable, which is the temporary variable temp, equal to A. In the memory, one variable temp is created. Temp is taking value of A. So value of A, which is 10, is copied to temp. The value of temp is 10. A equal to B. The value of B is copied to A. The new value of A is 20. B is equal to temp. The value of temp is copied to B. The new value of B is 10. Here we can see that the value of A and B are swapped using third variable. Print in the bracket pass a message. After swapping, A is concatenating with variable A. Again concatenating, B is. Again concatenating with B. Running the program. So here the value of A was 10 and B was 20. After swapping, A is 20 and B is 10. We can put AND in between for better understanding. Again run the program. After swapping, A is 20 and B is 10. The value of A and B are fixed. We can take these values from the user. Here using input in the bracket passing a message. Enter value of A. Similarly, in the B, input in the bracket pass a message. Enter value of B. And running this code, the value of A 10, B 20. After swapping 20 and 10. This program is showing correct output, but we must convert all the values to the integer because by default they are string. Here we are not performing any operation, that's why the values are correct. So this 10 and 20 are taken as string. We need to convert them to integer. So int at the last close bracket. In the B, int at the last close bracket. So we are typecasting these values to integer. Again running the code. So the value of A 10, B 20. So after swapping, A is 20 and B is 10. So this 10 is converted to integer and stored to A. This 20 is converted to integer and stored to B. So using temporary third variable, they are swapped and their swapping is shown in the output. So that's all for today. Thank you.